If you want your Lightroom Classic photos to look sharp, clean, and perfectly sized for Instagram, this video is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to export photos from Lightroom Classic for Instagram using the best settings for quality and reach. We'll cover the ideal aspect ratios, the export settings you should use, and the fastest way to make sure your photos upload looking their best. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple editing and export guides just like this. Let's start with the most important part, aspect ratio. If you're posting to Instagram and you want the best chance of getting maximum screen space and attention, portrait is usually the best option. The recommended ratio is 4:5, which exports at 1080 by 1350 pixels. That gives you more vertical space in the feed, which helps your image stand out. If you prefer a cleaner, more classic look, square is also a solid choice at 1:1 or 1080 by 1080 pixels. And if your image is better suited to a wider composition, landscape can work too at 1.91:1, which is 1080 by 566 pixels. Now let's move into Lightroom Classic. Open your photo, make your edits, and once you're ready, go to Export. This is where we'll set everything up for Instagram. In the File Settings section, change the format to JPEG. This is the standard and most compatible format for Instagram uploads. Then set quality between 80 and 100. If you want a balance of quality and file size, 80 is usually a great choice. If you want the best possible detail and don't mind a larger file, go closer to 100. Next, set the color space to sRGB. This is very important because Instagram is designed to work best with sRGB, and using the wrong color space can cause colors to look off after upload. Next comes image sizing. If you want a simple export that works well for most posts, resize the long edge to 1080 pixels. That's the standard Instagram-friendly size and helps keep your image crisp without creating an oversized file. But if you want the best quality for portrait posts, use the 4:5 ratio and export at 1080 by 1350 pixels. That gives you the ideal Instagram portrait format with great detail and the proper fit for the feed. Now scroll to Output Sharpening, turn on Sharpen For and select Screen. Then set the amount to Standard. This helps your image retain its clarity after Instagram compresses it. Instagram does reduce image quality a little during upload, so this step makes a noticeable difference in keeping your photo looking polished. Once those settings are in place, double check everything before exporting. JPEG, quality set properly, sRGB selected, image size correctly, and sharpening enabled for screen. After that, click export and save your file. That's really all it takes. With these Lightroom Classic export settings, your Instagram photos will be better optimized, sharper, and much more consistent when they go live. If you want more quick Lightroom and social media editing tutorials, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.